Welcome back. Fall is a very busy season for electricians everywhere, and we're on your side this morning with information as it relates to keeping your home safe. Joining us, Rusty Wise and Scotty Hutchins from Mr. Sparky here in Charlotte. And I got to tell you, I love your commercials on radio because it's like Mr. Sparky, no malarkey. You know?
Yeah, people enjoy that.
Yeah. So you brought some things along. So what is it we need to be aware of as it relates to the changing of the seasons? Because a lot of times folks will look at their heating units, but also their electrical kinds of things around the house, right?
Well, Steve, we have thousands of customers in the Charlotte market, and we're in thousands of homes every year. So a few of the items that we can go over that everybody knows is receptacles. This is a standard receptacle.
Right.
This is a receptacle that is tamper-proof. That's the new receptacles to where you can't stick your finger in there or,
because people would always like have the little plastic things, and you would hear about kid-proofing, your home in some regards.
Well, these have plastic shutters that prevent a kid from sticking anything in there. Also, the ground fault, these have the shutters also. A ground fault is, you see those in a bathroom or outside, and the ground fault means if the electricity comes in contact with the ground, it dislocates the circuit.
Now, what's this thing near Scotty here that's this transformer-looking device?
This is an arc generator.
Wow.
You can see the arc there. It will run up. A lot of fires are caused by arcs in homes. And one of the things that they've come out with now is...
Oh, look at that at the top there, you know?
Yeah, don't touch that.
No, not at all. But that can really cause problems at a house if something gets out of control, if there's like a short in a line somewhere.
Yes, arc fault breakers, they just came out with these several years ago. This will prevent an arc in your home. This is a standard breaker. This is a ground fault breaker, but the arc fault breakers will prevent an arc happening inside your home.
Now, what are some of the other gadgets? You have a smoke fire alarm here, right?
Yeah, that's a dual stage smoke and fire alarm. Surge protection. It's been proven that your appliances and things can increase their life a third by having surge protection.
And those are really interesting. When we had the rains, several nights ago in my neighborhood, the power went off, and it was like on and off and on and off, and you hear just bad stories about people and their computers and their plasma screens.
Well, every time, that power comes on and off, everything has electronic boards now. Your washing machine, your dryer, your TV, flat screens. Surge protection is a must-needed thing. It really is.
Okay, you got some light bulbs here too. We've heard a lot about the way that light bulbs have been changing these last few years.
LED light bulb, that's probably one of the biggest power savers that you could do in your home. Great technology. The past couple of years, they have really come a long way. The light on these things, as you can see, they're very bright. But they've really tailored the light coloring. The LEDs used to be blue looking and white looking.
But that's a softer, more even tone in a lot of ways too.
And they have this. They did a long study with this candelabra light, and it's actually the same frequency that a regular candle would put out. So the LEDs have come a long way. Saves you 85% on your power bill too.
But again, this time of year, people should check their systems, just like their heating and air systems, like when the seasons do change.
This time of year, they're plugging in Halloween decorations, Christmas lights, a big load on the home.
All right, Rusty and Scotty, thanks so much for stopping by this morning. We'll see you right after the break.
Thank you.
Scott Clark here. Now you have a choice. Choose from over 1,000 vehicles.